So let's get started. Open the.
We've had this game a while.
Yeah, we had this game a while. But you can tell by the box because our cat Nala likes to chew on boxes. I think we know why. I think it's because she has a loose tooth. And
She did.
She did, and I guess she has another one. And then guess what? The vet had to pull it out, and we saw her little baby tooth. Yeah, we saw her little baby tooth.
Yeah, her grown-up tooth grew in and pushed her baby tooth out of the way, but the baby tooth didn't fall out.
Yeah. And the vet came and saved the day and helped her get her tooth out. So looks like we have Moo Achoo. What's her name? She looks like a daisy.
That sounds right to me.
Daisy, give me your answer.
See, these are all supposed to be face down, right?
Yeah, they're all supposed to be face down. Can I shuffle the card?
Sure. You gonna shuffle those?
Yeah. Okay. So you see Moo Achoo. You see as a box, she's chewing bubbles. So you see this little mechanic? We get to open this and we put bubbles in here. But let's get to the real game, like the game.
Yeah, the rules.
So
I'll go ahead and pour some bubbles sauce.
So when we do that, we're supposed to press her main. When we press her main, she'd be like, ah.
And she might sneeze.
She might sneeze. And if she does sneeze, you get a card?
You get, you don't get a...
Yeah, if she actually...
Well, you pull a card first. And if it's got dandelions on it, like that, then you press this.
Yeah.
The clovers are good.
Yeah.
However many clovers you have, that's your points. But if she sneezes, you don't get to keep it. She couldn't eat that because she was sneezing, so you don't get to keep that. But every clover that you still have in your pile at the end of the game is a point.
Yeah.
And every time she doesn't sneeze but toots, out of the backside, it's just a sound. You get this card. If the other player already has it, and then the other player gives it to you. But right now nobody has it because she hasn't tooted yet. I can't see. Oh. So that's how you can tell. All right,
So
she's got to get it primed up. There you go. Got the bubbles flowing.
So we made a rule where every time when she blows bubbles at someone, it has to be like right here. It has to be like in their face.
Well, at least go towards them. You can't point it at somebody else.
Yeah, but it has to be like this and then...
Yeah.
No, like seriously, this might be the reason why people unsubscribe.
You get a card.
I got dandelion. I'm scared. Don't. No, the first time.
You get the doo-doo card. There's your pile. Uh-oh. Well, let's see if I got a dandelion. I got a dandelion, but I got to keep the card.
That's good because you pressed it.
I did, yeah. I already accidentally pressed it.
Guys, y'all, first of all, y'all almost died. Second of all, my storage got full. As y'all almost died, my battery was 1%. Wait, do I pull out a card?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, got dandelion.
So many dandelions in this pasture.
Yeah. I'm scared.
Oh, it's turned back on. That didn't count. It turned off because it took a minute.
It took a nap because it took a while.
Okay. You gonna press it again?
What? Okay. I'm bubbly.
You don't get to keep your card.
Can I put it on the bottom or not?
Yeah, you can put it on the bottom. Not the top, put it on the bottom. There you go.
Moo. Hi,
It's
Boo
your
Boo.
turn. He's our buddy from the streets.
Dandelion! I should separate this.
Well, you already got the poop. You get to keep it. You get to keep the. You get to keep this.
Yeah, no, but I want to get over it.
She doesn't sneeze. It's got 3 clovers on it.
Oh.
When she does the big mega sneeze, like blows out a long string of bubbles, then that means it's game over and time to count her points.
Yeah.
Just as a reminder.
I like to keep this one. We need more bubble juice.
You think so? You want to do it?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, is it my turn? Put a lid on there. One
Good.
dandelion and 1 clover.
Good.
I get the doo-doo. I'll get to keep that, but I lose 2 points. Bless you. Why does every card have a dandelion on it?
I feel like it.
So you don't get to keep that one. It was this one, right?
I have the hiccups. I'm sticky. That's what I was trying to say.
Just pointed at me, don't worry. It didn't even have a dandelion on it.
I didn't deserve that.
You didn't.
No.
Your turn. There you go. Eat poo-poo. When is that mega sneeze coming? We only have this and 1 more card. No, we got
2
2 cards.
Like what's the message?
That's the mega. So I'll keep that. All right, count the points.
Okay. How many points do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a tie.
It's a tie.
We can play again.
Yeah. We
All right.
gotta have a real
Mix up all the cards.
The wieners.
What's so funny, you cow?
So sticky to keep singing. 2. Please let me have this card. Please.
I chew. Uh-oh. Momo.
The loser has to put their mouth. Oopsie!
No dandelion.
What happened to our tail?
Here's your card.
Please let me have it. Please, I want it. Please let me have it. What's your problem?
You don't get to keep it. It's gotta go back. Oh boy. Thank you. Thank you. It's your turn.
Please, I need this cup. I need it. Please, I'll give you a hug. Yay! Finally accepted me.
Oh, I want to keep this.
Oh, you think that's
I
funny?
don't feel good about this though. She's gonna sneeze on me. Oh, well that's
She's
okay. I've
just
already got
pooping.
the doo-doo card.
One dandelion. I mean, not dandelion. Oh, wait. I don't need pressure.
Just a clover. You get to keep it. She just had a lovely snack, and that's all. Okay. There you go.
I guarantee she's not gonna sneeze this time. So I will show you how much I think she's not gonna sneeze. I'm gonna put my mouth on the bubble part. We love that. I didn't mean to spray it out. The real part of it is I got so many in my
Put your
mouth.
card back.
The real part of it, I got some in my mouth.
Yeah,
Got
that's
some
the
in my
punishment.
mouth. Mouth. Mouth, 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 mouth.
It's your turn.
Let me keep it.
Hello? Alright, let's count our pointies. You don't get to keep that one because she did the mega sneeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's 8 minus
6.
That's right. How many points do you have?
So bubbly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You win by 1 point.
Yay! You get to put your mouth in it. Oh wait, no. And then,
I'll do that. I could just use mouthwash afterwards.
yeah, you will. And it has to be bubbly.
Yeah, okay. I should have tried to turn like this. Well, it looks like I won't get punished today.
No! Open wide!
Tastes terrible.
Ooh. You think that's funny? You think that's funny?
So,
What?